The moment injury strikes.
When severe injury occurs, the body launches its emergency response. Blood vessels constrict, and clotting begins to stop bleeding. The nervous system signals pain to alert the body to damage. Simultaneously, immune cells rush to the scene, starting the process of clearing debris and fighting off possible infection. These first moments set the stage for every step of healing that follows.
Inflammation, the body's natural defense.
Inflammation is one of the first and most important stages of healing. Swelling, redness, and warmth occur as the body increases blood flow and sends more immune cells to the injured area. While inflammation can cause discomfort, it's crucial for isolating threats like bacteria and cleaning up damaged tissue, creating a pathway for new growth.
Cellular cleanup and repair.
Next, specialized cells act as cleanup crews. White blood cells remove dead or damaged tissue, preventing infection and clearing space for repair. Platelets and proteins help form a protective barrier or scab. Growth factors and chemical signals direct the activity of cells that lay down new tissue, paving the way for actual healing to begin.
Regeneration and rebuilding.
The body begins to rebuild by producing new cells and tissue. Skin, muscle, and even some nerves start to regenerate. Collagen fibers are laid down to create a strong framework, repairing gaps and tears. Depending on the severity of the injury, this process can take days to months, gradually restoring function and structure.
Remodeling, strengthening the repair.
Healing doesn't stop when the wound looks better. Behind the scenes, the body continues to remodel new tissue. Collagen is realigned along lines of stress and scar tissue is refined. Over time, the injured area regains strength and flexibility, though some scars may remain. This final phase ensures the body recovers as effectively as possible.